Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, thanks for coming. I hope you'll like this video. So today we have a little Target special, and we have something I ordered from Wish, and we'll get into the first product, which is from Shaska. This is a bracelet company, and I got a code from them, so I'll leave the code here. And I like their bracelets, and I'll show you a little video of some of the bracelets that they have. They had a 70% off sale. So if you use my code, I do save some coin. So here it is. These are handmade with positive vibes. So this is take 50% off your next order using the code NEXT. And a little sticker. Everything came in the sash. This bracelet was hand crocheted bead by bead by a skilled artisan in the Kathmandu Valley of Nepal. Your purchase empowers women to rise above poverty through fair trade. Nice card. Keep you informed of the reason why you are buying them. These are very pretty. These are very pretty. I like the gold on this one with the blue. It's amazing. And of course, I always love black and white, but that's very nice. You just put it on, get it over my wrist. So that is really, really pretty. And this gold like adds a dynamic to it. I'm probably gonna order more because I think these are great. And for the cause, for sure. So here's the black and white one. Very nice. And we'll put them back in the sash. Definitely going to be buying more of these. Always down for a good cause. All right, and then my Wish order. If you've ever ordered from Wish, you know that it probably takes a very long time. So here's a package. They're all individually wrapped. I can't even tell you what I ordered, but I'm sure it was very inexpensive. So there's a little makeup brush. It says number 10. Let's see. I ordered from Shop Miss A. If you haven't seen that, I will leave that in the cards. This seems very nice for doing the lower lash line. Tried these brushes, so I don't know how they really work. Let's see. I think they had like It Cosmetic brushes. So this one is super wrapped. Nice bubble packaging. Yep, this is It Cosmetics. Look at that. It's a dual-ended brush. Heavenly Luxe, no tug, dual eyeshadow. Yep, number 5. And it says an all over, and this one is smudge. So this is very great for the lash line too. Oh, this is gonna be interesting. Never tried it, so I will. Okay, and this is a shower bar that I ordered. I wasn't sure how it would actually come out, but I'll show you a picture of what it's supposed to look like. We'll give it a try. For the price, it was well worth it. All right, so those 3 things I got from Wish. I have more, but you know, they'll probably get here whenever. But here's the Target. So, I know summer's almost over, but we got summer essentials. This was $14.99 on Target's site, and they ship it to you for free. So let's see what's in the goodie bag. It does tell you on here what's in the bag. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 things for $14.99. And you get a nice little, looks like a shower bag. Like if you were going somewhere, you could just take this to travel. All right. And I always love Target's beauty bags. And there's no prices on here. So first thing is this brush, mini hairbrush. That's what it looks like. It's very cute and it's like purpley. So I like that, especially for the little kiddo. Take the whole thing out. This is Collab Dry Shampoo. So this is 6.7 fluid ounces or 200 mLs, and it's from the UK. It says no white residue. Paradise fragrance. All right. I like the flamingos on there. Very cool. And then something I am familiar with is Schmidt's Bergamot and Lime Natural Deodorant, 2.65 ounces. This is all natural, 24-hour protection. Barely a smell. I like the packaging. And it says no aluminum salts, no artificial fragrance. And it lasts for 12 months. Very cool. Oh, and then you get a $5 off Target coupon if you spend $15. So I'll be scanning this to my wallet. And we got a sample of Biore. This is the charcoal pore strips. I have used these and they actually do remove quite a bit. So this is really cool. Next is, ooh, the Milani Make It Last. I know Juicy Jazz uses this. She's a YouTube creator. So this has sunscreen, SPF 30 plus for that, because you don't even have to use this as a setting spray, but you can use it as both. Sunscreen setting spray. 2.02 fluid ounces. That is a great deal. L'Oreal Paris Sublime Bronze. This is 1 fluid ounce, and this is Tinted Self-Tanning Lotion, medium. It's probably sealed. Should be. This says travel size, so that's really nice. I don't need that, but and then we have Cetaphil. This is 50 SPF sunscreen. This looks like a sample size, 0.35 fluid ounces, and I just want to see what they're calling this. 10 mLs, but I have one that I got in my Walmart box, so this is great to have. Throw it in your purse. It's sealed. Next, Garnier Skin Actives. I love this micellar water. This is waterproof. This is 1.0 fluid ounces. It removes all kinds of makeup. I really do like this. It even removes waterproof mascara. So it cleanses and refreshes. It's for all skin types. I do love that. That was actually on my 2020 must-haves. And then this is also something that I really love, the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer Mini in the shade Bronze. I do like this. I really like the smell of this. It smells coconutty to me. What is this? Vaseline. Love this brand. This is Lip Tin's Rosy Bloom Lip Tin. 0.6 ounces. Lip therapy. Vaseline is great at that. Throw that in your purse. And I think this is the last product. This is Heritage Store Rosewater and Glycerin Hydrating Facial Mist. This is a great size. Vegan and cruelty-free dried combination skin. Oh yes, rose. That is definitely rose. No alcohol or dyes. Good for people and planet. That is really nice. I love rose smell. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, as promised, products. I love this Target Beauty bag. Really, it's definitely worth it. You got the $5 off coupon, so that's $9. And then these products by themselves are expensive. I know that the, where is it? The Physicians Formula is about $10, if not right there. So go out and get it. I highly recommend, just to try out a few new things that maybe you haven't tried out before. And if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and stay tuned for more because we have tons of giveaways coming up. And stay safe, guys.